Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel to get some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers here. Sign up with the brokers because I want you to trade with my signals separately in a separate broker account, especially these ones, okay? I don't want you to mix everything because in the future I'll be asking your feedback, your proofs and everything that how many trades did you win using my signals, okay? So don't mix anything, just sign up with the broker separately and then you will get the signals in the Telegram in the coming future. So make sure you are ready for all of that. Okay, subscribe, like, coming back to the chart here, starting with the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have a red candle. Okay, so let me maximize this. So this week, which is ending today on Friday, so far we have more buyers in the market and less sellers so far. Okay, anything could happen on Friday tonight. Okay, and this could change, we never know. But as per weekly, this week we had more longs orders than short orders. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that we are supposed to align with align ourselves with the weekly time frame, especially if you trade in last 2-3 days. If you trade after Wednesday, then come to weekly chart and see what has been happening until Wednesday. Until Wednesday, if the candle in weekly is red, then go for shorts. If until Wednesday the candle in weekly is blue, then go for longs. Okay. So yeah, the trend is up, but weekly we are having a red candle, even though more buyers. So here it might not be very clear. So we have to go to daily for that. In daily, we have what? We have something else. So in daily, this high is not broken yet, and then we do have a rejection, but then on Friday we're coming down. Probably we might go back up on Monday. Okay, so on Monday we might go up, but I don't know. Okay, but we have to see what's happening today. Let's talk about today only. So today the candle is red so far. Okay, now we don't have an entry in daily for now, but surely we can have an entry in 4 hour. Okay, so let me see. This high was broken, then pull back, then this blue candle did not did not make the or break the previous highs. Okay, so we are going down as of now in Delhi. Right, now let's see if we will have a breakout today or not. More likely. Okay, so this was the uptrend. If I use my fib level from, sorry, it was the downtrend from here till here. So we came to 78%. It's called golden pullback, I guess. Okay, so from here till here we took a pullback to 78%. It's a golden pullback, whatever you call it. It's a fantastic setup to me. I think we are going down. Okay, so when the US market opens today, we have news coming at this time here. Okay, so more likely this news will be positive for dollar. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, and once the dollar news is positive, that means today the dollar is gonna go up. If dollar is gonna go up, euro will come down by default. Okay, so I think I have shown you the fib levels. It took the pullback until 78%. Then we have some red candles, and as soon the candle closes below this EMA, I am going down, baby. That's my trade for Friday. Euro USD, I am going short. Okay, and if I will take the live trade today, I'll show that to you. Show as in I'll tell you about that on maybe Sunday in my next analysis of Euro USD. Okay. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and do all of that, and share the video. And not many people are doing this. If they're doing this, they're not doing it for free. So if this is all free for now, subscribe, like, join the Telegram, check out the brokers. Again, separate broker account. If you're not trained with my signals, don't mix anything. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.